Okay, this is a tutorial in Planning Center to show you how to create an event. And the first thing we're going to do is come up here to Services and click on Registrations. And when you get here, you'll see all the different events that have already been created. And we're going to scroll all the way down to the last event, which in this case is Sunday, January 31st, 2021. And that is the Sunday coming up. And so I'm going to click on that. Right here, you can see the people who have already registered for next Sunday. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up here to Settings right here. And we're going to click on Settings. And this is where you make any adjustments to the event. And we're going to hit Duplicate Event. Right now, we're going to change the title of the event. We're going to type in February 7th. And if you know the title of the sermon or you know the title of the Sunday, in this case, it's going to be Super Sunday. And then here, we need to change the date. And we use this calendar picker. We're going to click on the 7th. And we're going to change the time to 10 a.m. All of these can be left checked. We're going to hit Create. It's going to ask us if we're sure if we want to duplicate this, and I'm going to say yes. And now here is our new event. You can see it says Sunday, February 7th, 2021, Super Sunday. And your event is created and ready to go. It's just that easy. Now, if you would like to register someone for the event because they can't register or they don't have a computer or whatever the reason is, you can do that from this screen. And this is the only screen you should do it from. Don't try to do it by going to Church Center on your phone and starting there. The reason for that is that it can make duplicate profiles in Planning Center. And so we wind up with several different people with the same name, and that's not good. But if we do it from here, we avoid that problem. So we're going to go in here to New Registration, and we'll search for a name. And click the person's name in there. Then change this, or select the type of attendee that they are. Then we can add another name in here. You'll see lots of different people in the drop-down box, and you pick the one that you want. And then select their attendee type. Actually, for the 7th, she will be a volunteer. And then we hit Complete Registration. If you want to send out a confirmation email, you can click that right there and they'll receive an email. And hit Complete Registration. Now, over here under Questions, we have orange dots, and that means that they are not completed, and so we need to complete them. We're going to click in there, and it brings up the two registrations, and you see it says they are incomplete, and so we want to complete them. What's incomplete is no answer has been given to the social distancing questions. And so we're going to hit Edit, and then we're going to select the answer and hit Save. Now Brett's registration is complete, and we're going to do the same for Michelle. It's yes. Save, and there we go, and we are done here. We can come back over here and click on Registrations, and we see that there's the two registrations, and the questions have green check marks. They're done. Now, the next thing that you want to look at is that you want to be able to see this on the Church Center app, and so we're going to go here and view it on Church Center. And we see that everything looks correct, and the time is correct, date is correct. This would normally say register, but since I've already registered myself, it says view registration. But the thing you want to look at here is that up here is the URL that we need to get into the website and create the Save Your Seat button in the website. But that's a different tutorial, and I will show you that later. As it is right now, this is how you create an event and how you add people to the event. And then, of course, if you want to print, you come over here, you get the guest list here, and then you can print it by hitting Print Report. Hit the Canon IR and make sure it's on Landscape, and then you hit Print. I'm going to hit Cancel. So there you go. How to create an event in the registration systems in Planning Center.